Hey, this will be a video chart on Facebook, ticker symbol FB. We will take a look at the daily time frame. Nice to change things up every once in a while and look at a big board. And this one actually is really pretty interesting because if Facebook can continue to work its way upwards, it could enter into a potentially nice little zone here where it could make a nice run. So the main thing I want to talk about is a little resistance zone that it's approaching, and if it can get through that, then kind of talk about where it could potentially head in a relatively short amount of time, given the history of the chart. So right here at, to be honest, I don't know what that value is specifically, but this is going to be the bottom portion of the resistance zone. And a resistance zone just simply means instead of having one resistance, you kind of just pick a few and then call everything in between it part of the zone. And this level is right here, or the bottom is at 2180. So 2180 is the bottom portion of the zone, and actually it matches up almost perfectly with the 50-day simple moving average, this purple line here, which is valued at 2883. So pretty darn close. And this simply comes from looking back here. You can see acted as resistance, close to acting as resistance when the price was able to get above it, a quick little back test there, and then really shot up. And then when the price did drop below it again here, you can see just acted as resistance and has been acting as resistance quite a bit. Now if the price were to get above it, there seems to be another area that I'm going to call right here at, well, based off the low of that candle at 29.27. So I'll change that to red and then talk about where that comes from. But looking, you can see that the times that the price has been able to break above this initial area of resistance, the price has then found resistance up at this level. Was a support level here, and then I just think that would be the best way to kind of call it an all clear if the price were to get above there. And now this is where it becomes interesting. This is what I was referring to. With a break of the top of that zone again being, we'll call it at 29.27, there's quite a bit of room for the shares to run with the next level of resistance not really being up until right around this area at, we'll call, basically 31 cents. And then after 31 cents, nothing until basically previous highs way over here above 32. So some nice potential to run there. And technically speaking, it's not unrealistic or anything, because you do have quite a bit of room. And the other reason why it's not unrealistic is if you look back here, you can see past history, Facebook has been able to make big moves in the past. So it's not like a big move has never happened or anything like that. It's happened. You can see it right back here, back in late December and early January. So with a nice strong volume break there, would not shock me at all to see these highs retested. So definitely an interesting setup if you like these big boards and one to keep an eye on, and just kind of see how the rest of this week and the next couple of weeks transpires with it. So if you do have any other questions on the chart, please let me know. If not, I'd encourage you to sign up and check out our newsletter up there. And as you'll see, when you do sign up, you'll get a free ebook. And if you enjoyed the video and want to learn more about charting and how to use it as a strategy and make an investment into your trading education, I'd encourage you to check out our educational course down there. Over 8.5 hours of teaching and video. It's been getting good third-party reviews, so I'd encourage you to check it out and give it a try. One more time, this was FB Facebook. Thanks for listening.